Hi, I would like to show you how easy it is to connect and use Emprog ThunderBench with the Freescale Kinetis K70 using J-Link JTAG probe. Let me start by giving a quick tour of the board itself. Here we have the JTAG debug port connected to a Seger J-Link probe, a reset button, a user USB port which also acts as a power source, a Freescale Kinetis K70 MCU, a Cortex-M4 with 1 mega flash and onboard FPU, 4 colored LEDs that we will feature in our demo, and 4 capacitive touchpads that will also be featured in this demo. With the board connected, I start Emprog ThunderBench Development Suite. Once inside the control center, I click on Ready to Use BSPs. Choose Freescale. Select the Tower K70 kit. For this demo, we will choose the touch sensing application, which demonstrates the capacitive touch capability on the board using the 4 touchpads. As the application code is being created into the workspace, ThunderBench will prompt us to select a JTAG probe. In this example, we choose the Seger J-Link, and ThunderBench will create and build the project automatically. It is important to note that these BSPs are copied to your workspace. In this manner, you can modify the example without impacting the original code. There are 2 ways to launch the debugger and download the sample application. One way is that you can double-click on the J-Link debugger launch shortcut within the project directory, or simply click on the debug button on the toolbar. At first run, ThunderBench will automatically ask to launch the proper J-Link GDB server. I confirm yes. Here you have a chance to set or change the target device for the J-Link GDB server if you need to. This is something you only need to do once with the very first debug session. I can now click OK. The server will connect to your target board, making it ready for debugging. I can now click on Debug. The debugger will start downloading the sample application into your Kinetis K70 target board and execute the code till the first preset breakpoint at the user main. Breakpoints can be set in advance in the debugger setup editor. As expected, the execution breaks at the user main. Now let's execute and run the application on the target. I switch to the board and show you the application running. You notice on touching each pad the corresponding LED lights up. Touch again and the LED turns off. I can swipe my finger and the LEDs turn on and off accordingly. Now that ThunderBench is fully connected and functional with the board, I can start building my Kinetis K70 project. When done, I click on Terminate and Exit. I hope you benefited from this video, and thank you again for watching.